RankMath SEO is an easy-to-use SEO tool that can help you improving your site ranking. If you want to increase the number of visitors to your website by obtaining a high ranking in search results, you should do SEO for the website. Hi, I am Khaled. In this video, I am going to show you how to set up RankMath SEO plugin for your website. Welcome back to the tutorial on how to set up RankMath SEO plugin. Don't forget to subscribe this channel if you like. For more free tools, tutorials and offers, you can visit the link below this video. So using RankMath SEO, you can improve SEO score, increase organic traffic and quality engagement for your website. To install RankMath SEO plugin for my website, at first I need to log in to the WordPress admin area. I already have logged in to my WordPress admin panel of my website. Now to install RankMath plugin, click on Plugins. Write RankMath into the search box next to Search Installed Plugins. In the installed plugins list, it shows new plugins found for RankMath. So to install the plugin, click on Add New Plugin. Write RankMath into the search box next to Search Plugins. Hit Enter. RankMath SEO appears here. Click on Install Now button. RankMath is installed. Now you need to activate it. To activate, you can click on Activate here. Before activating, let's check it in the installed plugins list. Write RankMath into the search box next to Search Installed Plugins. In the installed plugins list, RankMath appears. You can click here on Activate to start RankMath activation. Let me click on Connect Your Account. It provides you the option to make login, that is access your RankMath account. You can use your existing Facebook, Google or WordPress account to log into RankMath. I am using my Google account. Now press Next, asking for two-step verification. Let me check my mobile device, confirming it's me. Now signing into RankMath SEO. Click Continue. RankMath plugin activation option is available here. Click on OK Activate Now button to start activation process. For RankMath, you can configure lots of items under different features as it is shown here in step by step. Under Getting Started, I am keeping the Advanced option as selected. You can choose other options also. Then click on Start Wizard. Now I need to provide some information about my website. Let me select my website type. I am choosing it as a small business site. Some additional information you can provide. Click on Save and Continue. Now under rankmath analysis feature, I can connect Google services for my website. It can be done afterward also. So skip setup for now. Under sitemap feature, you can configure relevant options. It can be done afterward also. So you can skip sitemap setup for now. In addition, you can set up some SEO features over here if you like. It can be done afterward also. So you can skip for right now. Fine, your site is ready. Click on Return to Dashboard. Therefore, our rankmath SEO setup for the website is successful. This is the rankmath SEO tool dashboard, so that we can configure and implement a lot of SEO and ranking options available here in rankmath for our website. Hope that you enjoy the video. If you have any more questions addressing this video guide on how to set up rankmath SEO plugin, you can send your queries in this video comment section. If you are interested to know how to improve SEO score for your website, you can check the link below this video. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe this channel and get in touch with FiberCrest for more awesome upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching.